The Teamwork, a short story. Once upon a time, there was an ant named Andy. Andy was always busy in collecting food for ant colony. One day, he came across a big piece of bread. Being excited, he started pushing it towards the colony all by himself. Along the ways, he met a group of ants who offered to help him. Andy, feeling proud and independent, refused their help and continued on his own. But as he struggled to move the bread, he realized that teamwork would make the task much easier. He humbly accepted the help of the other ants. Together, they successfully brought the bread to the colony. Moral: teamwork and cooperation can lead to greater success than trying to do everything alone. Thanks for watching.